Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to build a simple Chrome extension with a side style pop-up. As you can see, I have written a simple codes for pop-up and extensions. Once you have done that, go to this exact URL. And after entering toggle on the developer mode, you can load Unpacked and select your folder. In my case, I have made it in this. Click on Select Folder. Click on the extension icon in the Chrome, and your side style pop-up will appear. To summarize, we have just created a Chrome extension with side style pop-up, loaded it in Chrome, and confirmed that it works perfectly. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.